Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of the charger that comes with the OPPO Find X2 Neo. And to do this we'll need to connect the charger to the phone and this GoSun Smart socket. It should tell us exact statistics of a charger on my phone right here. And now let's move on to the GoSun app. And right here we're gonna plug the charger onto the GoSun. So the phone just started charging, and now we should see the electric tap right here. And let's wait about 30 to 40 seconds till all of the statistics are stable. So all of the statistics are stable and you can see them right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.